Hello everyone, myself Kavya. Welcome to our channel. Today I am going to seminar topic about PHP data types. PHP data types. Variables can store data of different types and different data types can do different things. PHP supports the following data types: string, integer, floating point numbers, and also called a double, boolean, array, object, null, resources. PHP string. A string is a sequence of characters like hello world. A string can be any text inside quotes. You can use single or double quotes. Example is this. PHP integer. An integer data type is a non-decimal numbers between 2, 147, 483, 648 and 2, 147, 483, 647. Rules for integers. An integer must have at least one digit. An integer must not have a decimal point. An integer can be either positive or negative. Integers can be specified in decimal base 10, hexadecimal base 16, octal base 8 or binary base 2 notation. In the following example, x is an integer. The PHP random function returns the data types and values. Example is this one. PHP float. A float means floating point number is a number with a decimal points or a number in exponential form. In the following example, x is a float. The PHP val dump function returns the data type and values. PHP example is this. PHP boolean. A boolean represents two possible states, true or false. X equals to true, y equals to false. Booleans are often used in conditional testing. You will learn more about conditional testing in a later chapter of this tutorial. PHP array. An array stores multiple values in one single variable. In the following examples, cars is an array. The PHP random functions returns the data type and values. PHP null values. Null is a special data types which can have only one value. Null, a variable of data type null, is a variable that has no value assigned to it. Tip: if a variable is created without a value, it is automatically assigned a value of null. Variables can also be emptied by setting the value to null. This is the PHP null value example. Classes and PHP objects. Classes and objects are the two main aspects of object-oriented programming. A class is a template for objects and an object is an instance of a class. When the individual objects are created, they inherit all the properties and behaviors from the class, but each object will have different value for the properties. Let's assume we have a class named car. A car can have properties like model, color, etc. We can define variables like model, color, and so on to hold the values of these properties. When the individual objects Volvo, BMW, Toyota, etc. are created, they inherit all the properties and behaviors from the class, but each object will have different values for the properties. If you create a construct functions, PHP will automatically call these functions when you create an object from a class. PHP resources. The special resource type is not an actual data type. It is the storing of a reference to functions and resources external to PHP. A common examples of using the resources data type is a database call. We will not talk about the source type here since it is an advanced topic. Thank you.